In today's video, I am going to show you how to recover your deleted chats on Messenger. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. So in order to recover your deleted messages on Messenger, what you need to do is to open the Messenger application. Click on these three horizontal lines at the top left corner of your screens and then click on the settings icon. Now scroll down and click on this account center option. From here, select this option that says your information and permissions. Then tap on download your information. Click on request a download. Make sure that only your Facebook account is selected and click on next. Then click on select types of information. Okay, since we only want to recover our deleted messages on Messenger, therefore select this messages option and click on next. And after that, tap on submit request. Once you click on submit request, a file containing your deleted messages on Messenger will be sent to your email address. Once you have received that file, all you have to do is to download it and your deleted messages on Messenger will be recovered. So that was it for this video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.